Hi guys, it's Brianna here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how I thread my eyebrows at home. If you are not subscribed yet, please hit that button below and continue to support me. The first thing that I always do is brush my eyebrows in an upward motion to ensure all the hairs are going in the same direction. Next, I take a brow pencil and firmly outline my preferred shape. I don't actually always take this step at home, given that this is muscle memory to me at this point. However, if you are new to this, please don't skip this step. It will ensure that you are removing the correct hairs. Now I'm going to show you how I prepare the thread. I like my thread to be between 16 and 24 inches long whenever I thread my eyebrows, given that I'll be tying it in a circle. If you've ever visited a threading salon, you know that the estheticians will always put the thread in their mouths and use it as a tension point. Given that this is impossible for me to do from this angle, I like to tie it in a circle. Once the knot is created, I trim off the excess thread and begin to twist it in a circle, being sure that I hold the end that was tied together firmly in one of my hands so it doesn't get twisted into the middle. If the knot gets twisted into the middle, your thread will definitely break faster. Now, when you thread under your eye, it is important that you are lifting your brows with your facial muscles to get the skin as taut as possible. If you don't, you'll risk ripping your skin if it gets caught in the thread. I like to begin towards the tail of my brow and work my way to the beginning. To thread, ensure that you're holding the side closest to the beginning of the brow steady and wide open. I like to use 4 fingers to achieve this, but you can do whatever is most comfortable for you. With your other hand, open the thread with your pointer finger and thumb to make the twisted section of the thread move closer to the middle of the brow, which removes the hair along the way. If you can get this motion down, then you've got it. By the way, if you've gotten this far and you haven't subscribed yet, I have no clue what you're waiting on, so hit that button below. Sometimes there will be small, fine, pesky hairs that are way too hard to separate. I recommend using an eyebrow spoolie to help single it out. Once you get towards the beginning of your brow, it's time to get super precise. To get a straight line, line up the twisted part of the thread with the slant of the line that you've drawn. Then, when you remove the hair, keep your thread at that angle the entire time. If your thread pops in the middle of the removal, just create another loop. It happens all the time, so no worries. Now, to clean up the unibrow area, I always thread in a lot of different directions until all of the hair has been removed. The top of the brow is much easier. Comb all of your hair in a downwards direction and repeat the steps you took on the bottom half, just without raising your brows. Since the skin on top of your brow is more stiff, it doesn't require as much tension. For the super fine hairs that I couldn't remove on the bottom of the brow, I simply used a spoolie and a pointed set of tweezers to remove the hair. The last and final step is to trim any of the stragglers. I love when the line at the top of my brow is straight, so I trim the hair in a straight line to create a sharp look. After I do this, I love to finish with a little bit of alcohol to disinfect the area. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and tune in to my next video. Have a great day.